Yes, you can use your hands in soccer, as long as you do it like this. Here's how to do a throw-in. When a player knocks the ball over the sideline, also known as the touchline, the opposing team gets a throw-in to restart play. First, the ground rules. Both feet must stay on the ground and both hands must be on the ball. This is important because if it's not taken correctly, the throw-in is retaken by the other team. Bring the ball over your head to throw with equal force with both hands. Your feet can be together, like this, or you can drag one foot, like that, often used to get more distance on the throw. Speaking of distance, you want to use the hips, leaning back as far as possible, then whipping forward to send the ball far. Encourage players to find an open teammate and throw it to their feet where it's easiest to receive the ball. Let us slow it down for you. 2 hands on the ball, 2 feet on the ground, whip it back, and throw. With a throw-in this sweet, it won't be a toss-up.